Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.4 question number 1. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. Let us find. You can find in this way that question number 1 is determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. If x plus 1 is a factor, x plus 1 if x plus 1 is a factor, if x plus 1 is a factor, if x plus 1 is a factor of if x plus 1 is a factor of px, that is equal to s cube plus x square plus x plus 1 then p then p minus 1 must be 0 otherwise x plus 1 is not a factor of px, is not a factor of px, not a factor of px, not a factor of px. And let us find p minus 1. Here you got that px is, it is given that px is equal to x to the power cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Let us find p minus 1. P minus 1. Then we are getting minus 1 to the power cube plus minus 1 to the power square plus minus 1 plus 1. Then we are getting minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, right? That means we are getting minus 1 plus 1. Then we are getting 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. We are getting p minus 1 is 0. Hence x plus 1 is a factor of px. Hence x plus 1 is a factor of the polynomial, is a factor of the polynomial, is a factor of the polynomial, factor of the polynomial, right? Now solve. This is question number 1. Now solve question number 2. Here question number 2, here you see is question number 2 is px. Again the question is determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. If x plus 1 is a factor, x plus 1, if x plus 1 is a factor, if x plus 1 is a factor of px is equal to x to the power 4 plus x to the power cube plus x square plus x plus 1, then p minus 1 must be 0. Otherwise x plus 1 is not a factor of Px. Here you see, if x plus 1 is a factor of Px, x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, then P minus 1 must be 0. Otherwise x plus 1 is not a factor of Px. Let us find. Here Px is equal to x to the power 4 x to the power 4 x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Therefore find P minus 1. We are getting minus 1 to the power 4 plus minus 1 to the power cube plus minus 1 to the power square plus minus 1 plus x plus 1. Therefore we are getting minus 1 to the power 4 is 1 plus minus 1 to the power cube is minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So this will cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1. You are getting 1. Here you see that P minus 1 is not equal to 0. Is not equal to 0. Therefore you can say that x plus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial. Therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of the polynomial, not a factor of the polynomial Px, not a factor of the polynomial Px. Now let us solve question number 3. Question number 3 is, here you see is, let us solve question number 3. Question number 3 is x4 plus 3x square plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Again we solve that if x plus 1 is a factor, x plus 1 is a factor, if x plus 1 is a factor of Px equal to x to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1, then P minus 1 must be equal to 0, must be equal to 0. And let us find. Here you see that Px, here Px is given as Px is equal to x to the power 4 plus 3x square, 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1 p minus 1. Then we are getting minus 1 to the power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 to the power cube plus 3 into minus 1 to the power square plus minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Now you see that we are getting minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1 plus minus 1 to the power cube is minus 1, that is minus 3. Therefore we are getting here as minus 3 plus minus 1 to the square is 1, that is 3, plus into minus 1 plus 1. Then we are getting 3 plus 1 is 4, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. So you get p minus 1 is not equal to 0 as p minus 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore we can say that x plus 1 is not a factor of the polynomial px. Right? Now solve question number 4. Here you see question number 4 is x cube. Again the question is determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 as a factor. If x plus 1, we solve question number 4. Here see question number 4 is if x plus 1 is a factor of px, that is equal to x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2, then p minus 1 must be 0. And let us find. Here px is given as is equal to x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2. Therefore p minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 1 square minus 2 plus root 2 into minus 1 plus root 2. We are getting minus 1 to the power whole cube means minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1, that is minus 1, minus into minus is plus 2, minus into minus is plus root 2 plus root 2. That is, we are getting this is plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Then we are getting 2x, x is minus 2. Then minus into minus is plus, plus root 2 plus root 2. Then we are getting, here it is, minus into minus is plus, that is plus 2. Or minus 1 to the whole cube is minus 1, minus 1 to the power whole square is plus 1, plus into minus is minus 1, and minus into minus is plus, plus 2, minus into minus is plus 2 root 2 plus root 2. Then we are getting minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 root 2. Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. That is, we are getting 2 root 2. Right? As p minus 1 is not equal to 0, therefore we can say that x plus 1 is not a factor of px. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.